This female orangutan is 42 years old. Her third child, a 6-year-old daughter, is still with her. Orangs look after their children for longer than any other primate except ourselves. It will take her 9 years to teach her youngster everything she needs to know about this complex treetop world. She must learn how to collect ants and termites, how to identify at least 200 kinds of edible plants, and how to avoid the poisonous ones, and how to judge when fruit, like this durian, has ripened to perfection. A child must be able to judge